Welcome back to Big Joe Backyard Barbecue. Today we've got a spectacular smoked mac and cheese with crab and shiitake, guaranteed to wow your guests. Check it out. Okay, for the base of our sauce, we're gonna warm up some olive oil over medium-low heat, and then add in some shallots. And then after 5 minutes of that, we're gonna add in 4 cloves of garlic and cook that down for another 5 minutes or so. Now next, to thicken this, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're gonna mix that in really good so all the flour cooks. We don't want any kind of raw flour in here. And when we add the cream into here, it's gonna thicken up our cheese sauce really, really good. Now we're gonna add in 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. It's gonna function as the base of our sauce here. We'll give that a stir, get all the pieces off the bottom. We're still at medium-low. We're gonna be at a pretty low simmer for the whole part here. And we'll add in some thyme. Now once that cream warms up, we're gonna add in about 3 cups of Gruyere, or whatever cheese you really love. You can do a mixture, and I'm gonna slowly stir that in, let it kind of melt, about 1 cup at a time. So we've added all of our cheese. Our sauce is reduced by 1/3. This is kind of the consistency you get. It is, I mean, it's still liquidy, but it's firmed up. My inspiration today was a crab stuffed mushrooms. We got some little sauteed shiitake mushrooms here, as well as some crab that we got from our fishmonger. And we're gonna very gently just stir that in. And now we're also gonna add in a little bit of salt. And fresh cracked pepper to taste. And we'll give that a nice gentle stir. So here we've got 1 pound of cooked macaroni, and now we're gonna get our sauce in there. And then we're just gonna stir that cheesy, crabby mushroom sauce all in there. This the pan, I put butter all over it just to butter it, so it'll be easier to get everything out. But we want to get a little bit of this sauce touching all of the pasta, and everything in here is cooked. So we're just gonna, when we throw it on the Kamado, Joe, that's just gonna be so we can get some beautiful smoke flavor, let everything incorporate really nicely, and this is gonna be probably the best mac and cheese you've ever made in your life. And then we're just gonna top this with some panko breadcrumbs for some nice crunch. We've got our Big Joe Konnected set up for indirect heat, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, everything in here is cooked, so we're gonna go for about 20 or 30 minutes, just until we can see everything bubbling up together. It means the flavors all came together really nicely. We're gonna close this up, check in on it about the 20-minute mark. Okay, we are right at the 20-minute mark. You can see everything is bubbling together beautifully. It's all come together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off the heat, let it rest for a few minutes. So we're gonna pair this with a beautiful Wagyu ribeye cap. We got our crab and shiitake mac and cheese. Dynamite, that's so cheesy, rich, delicious. Can't wait to eat it. If you got a great recipe for mac and cheese on the Kamado, Joe, drop it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.